Cook the chicken, peppered paprika on each side. Sizzle to perfection till the juices glow inside. In the same pan, onions soften, bacon sings along. Mushrooms dance with cream where the flavors all belong. Parsley falls and grated cheese melts softly in the sauce. Now stir the chicken gently